Hello, we're the rangers from the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Please help us look after this beautiful place by following the countryside code wherever you go. Firstly, please respect other people.
Consider the local community and other people enjoying the outdoors.
Park carefully so that access to gateways and driveways are kept clear.
Gadewch iete ac eiddo fel y maen nhw. Dilynwch llwybrau, ond sefwch un ochr wrth basio i eraill.
Protect the natural environment.
Leave no trace of your visit and please take your litter home.
Be careful with your barbecues and please don't light fires.
If you have a dog, keep it under effective control, and if you have a mishap, bag it and bin it.
Enjoy yourself! Plan ahead, check what facilities are open and be prepared. Follow advice and local signs and obey social distancing measures. Thanks for watching!